Y'all know I always start my day with a good old smoothie. So here we are again. I have some banana, mango, strawberry, pineapple, chia seeds, hemp seeds. I threw some cashew milk in here to give it that creamy texture, and also some dates for natural sweetness. This literally tastes like a strawberry milkshake. For lunch/brunch, I made some oatmeal. This oatmeal has steel cut oats, chia seeds, hemp seeds, flax seeds, cashew milk, and some agave to sweeten. I like to add superfoods to whatever meals I can. Like I said, today is a realistic what I eat in a day. So it was just important that I tried to get as many nutrients as possible because I didn't have the most healthy day today. I really wanted some pizza, but all I had was bread and vegan Parmesan cheese. So we made a grilled cheese, and I was still a little bit hungry later on in the night. So I made some carrots and hummus to snack on. This is as realistic as it gets, my friends. Wegmans has a really good everything bagel hummus if you love cheese. It's dairy free, but it tastes just like a cream cheese. So definitely give that a try if you're on the East Coast, up north. Wegmans has amazing everything bagel hummus. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.